Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Let's start. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. Red color. Red color. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Yellow color. Two. Two. Yellow color. Two. Purple color. Three. Three. Black color. Four. 4. Four. 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 Pink color. Five. 5. 5. Green color SIX 6. SIX 6. Orange color SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. Red color EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. NINE 9. TEN 10. TEN 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.